No matter what your religion, we should all strive to be vegan. Unitarian Universalism is now arguably the best religion on the planet. Here's why. First of all, unlike other religions, it's based on science and democracy, which means it's never stuck in the old ways. Every year, Unitarian Universalists vote on stuff, and recently, among other things, they voted to protect all beings from exploitation. So what does this really mean? It means they're striving to be as vegan as possible in all their congregations. Unitarians decided to vote for Article 2. Woohoo! It was an amazing thing they agreed to do. They voted to protect all beings from exploitation. Cool. It was the result of an empathetic collaboration. So you're probably wondering, what does this essentially mean? Well, it's a declaration to be kind, not to be mean. So in our churches there'll be no more cows, milk, meat, or eggs. That's right, because the animals have a right to keep their bodies, wings, secretions, and legs. Unitarian Universalists. Unitarians know that plants have all the protein we need to stay healthy. Unitarian Universalists. Unitarians know that there are top-level vegan athletes in the Olympics. Unitarian Universalists. Unitarians serve fruits, vegetables, nuts, seeds, and whole grains during potlucks. Unitarian Universalists. Unitarians don't buy or sell people or animals. Unitarian Universalists. Unitarians have empathy in their hearts. Unitarian Universalists. Don't believe the lies of the meat industry. They just want to make money. Unitarian Universalists. Don't believe the lies of the cheese industry. They just want to make money. Unitarian Universalists. Don't believe the lies of the egg industry. They're the kind of capitalists who lack empathy. Clap if you want to save the planet. Clap if you want to save animals. Clap if you want to save your health. Clap if you want to be happy. Clap if you have empathy. We don't want dead bodies in our churches anymore. We don't want dead bodies in our schools anymore. We don't want dead bodies on our plates anymore. We don't want dead bodies inside us anymore. Unitarians decided to vote for Article 2. Woohoo! It was an amazing thing they agreed to do. They voted to protect all beings from exploitation. Cool. It was the result of an empathetic collaboration. So you're probably wondering, what does this essentially mean? Well, it's a declaration to be kind, not to be mean. So in our churches there'll be no more cows, milk, meat, or eggs. That's right, because the animals have a right to keep their bodies, wings, secretions, and legs. Unitarian Universalists. Unitarians serve lentils, beans, broccoli, and rice. Unitarian Universalists. Unitarians serve tofu, tempeh, seitan, and chickpeas. Unitarian Universalists. Unitarians serve carrots and hummus and drink soy milk and oat milk. Unitarian Universalists. Unitarians serve vegan pasta, vegan cheese, and vegan pizza. Unitarian Universalists. Unitarians serve cabbage, kale, and cauliflower. Unitarian Universalists. Unitarians eat chia seeds, flax seeds, hemp seeds, and pumpkin seeds. Unitarian Universalists. Unitarians drink spinach smoothies with banana, pineapple, and mango. Unitarian Universalists. Unitarians are kind, courageous people who will be viewed as heroes by future generations. How can Unitarian Universalists create a vegan world? Number 1. Make videos showing people how it's not expensive to be vegan and that recipes and health information are free everywhere online. Number 2. Gather both vegans and pre-vegans in our communities and work to elect members of parliament to create laws banning factory farming and animal use in our country. Number 3. Stay healthy and happy because the animals need us to get up each day, to remember them, and to be their heroes. What kind of people do we, as Unitarian Universalists, want to be? Should we exploit, enslave, or save? Let's think about that one more time. What kind of people do we, as Unitarian Universalists, want to be? Should we exploit, enslave, or save.
Why Unitarian Universalist churches should be grounded in veganism. First and foremost, Unitarian Universalism has never been a faith of blind obedience. It's a faith of conscience, reason, and love, made visible through action. So today we ask a simple question. If our principles mean anything at all, how can we continue to exclude animals from our circle of compassion? Let us walk through our principles honestly.
Unitarian Universalists believe in the inherent worth and dignity of every person. We affirm that worth and dignity are not earned by intelligence, language, usefulness, or power. And yet, every day, billions of sentient beings, cows, pigs, chickens, and fish, are treated as objects, units, commodities. They're bred into existence, mutilated, confined, sexually exploited, and violently killed, not for survival, but for habit, taste, and profit. If worth and dignity depend on the ability to suffer, to feel fear, to seek life, then animals qualify. Either worth and dignity are inherent, or they are conditional. Unitarian Universalists have already agreed that they are inherent. Therefore, veganism is the logical conclusion. Unitarian Universalists believe in justice, equity, and compassion in human relations. Justice is not selective. Compassion is not species-based. The largest system of injustice on Earth is the animal agriculture industry, a system that inflicts routine violence on the most vulnerable beings imaginable, while also harming slaughterhouse workers, surrounding communities, and future generations. If we oppose oppression only when the victims look like us, we are not practicing justice. We are practicing hypocrisy. Unitarian Universalists believe in acceptance of one another and encouragement to spiritual growth. Spiritual growth requires moral evolution. There was a time when violence was normalized because that's how it's always been. We now recognize that tradition is not an excuse for harm. Veganism is not about perfection. It is about alignment, bringing our daily choices into harmony with our deepest values. Growth means changing when new understanding demands it.
Unitarian Universalists believe in a free and responsible search for truth and meaning. Truth asks uncomfortable questions like, do animals suffer? Is that suffering necessary? And if it isn't, what does responsibility require of us? The evidence is overwhelming. We do not need to eat, wear, or use animals to thrive. Once we know that, continuing to participate becomes a choice, not an accident. Freedom of belief does not absolve us of responsibility for doing harm. Unitarian Universalists believe we have a right of conscience and the use of the democratic process. Conscience is not passive. It is a call to action. Veganism isn't just about food. It's conscience in practice, refusing to outsource violence to others, refusing to let suffering remain invisible simply because it is profitable. Democracy loses its soul when the voiceless are excluded. Animals cannot vote. They do speak and cry and want to live, though. But we have slammed the door so tightly that we can no longer hear their screams. Democracy is about fairness, not brutality. Unitarian Universalists strive for the goal of world community with peace, liberty, and justice for all. All cannot mean some. There can be no culture of peace while violence is institutionalized and normalized on an unimaginable scale. We cannot teach children compassion while serving victims of violence on our plates. We cannot preach nonviolence while funding slaughter. Justice that stops at the species line is incomplete justice. Unitarian Universalists respect the interdependent web of all existence. This principle leaves no room for exception. Animal agriculture is one of the leading drivers of climate collapse, habitat destruction, water depletion, and species extinction. To respect the web of life while actively destroying it is a contradiction. Veganism, on the other hand, is ecological humility in action. We, the member congregations of the Canadian Unitarian Council, covenant to affirm and promote individual and communal action that accountably dismantles racism and systemic barriers to full inclusion in ourselves and our institutions. Our promise asks us to stop supporting systems that make hurting others seem normal. Industrial animal farming does this by hiding suffering and acting like some lives do not matter. By choosing vegan food, our community lives out its promise to care for all beings. Conclusion: Unitarian Universalism has always been on the right side of history because it listens when conscience evolves. Veganism is not an extreme position. It is the logical conclusion of our principles. It is justice widened, compassion deepened, truth lived, not merely spoken. The question is no longer, why be vegan? The question is, if we truly believe what we say we believe, how can we not be?